guys, to stay on top of your game, you must push yourself. And here to push me around tonight is resident judge of Chopped, Alex Guarnaschelli, and co-host of The Kitchen, Sunny Anderson.
Yeah, we gonna do this.
She's gonna do it for the both of us.
What's up, Bobby? Today, we're gonna get on the highway. We're gonna take the exit at Beat Bobby Flay Road, and then we're gonna make the left, and we're gonna make you go right.
You know how people say, like, I like her individually, but when she's with her friends, it gets a little crazy?
Yes.
This is it.
People think we're really very different. We actually have a lot in common. We really get along.
Let's do this. Who you got?
Bobby, say hello to executive chef Mohan Ismail.
Wow, big energy. We love it. All right. Please welcome cookbook author, caterer, executive chef Nicole Roarke.
I'm excited.
Now, I know you guys are here to take me down, but first, you must go through each other. So you'll have 20 minutes to make a single ingredient the star of your dish. And that ingredient is duck breasts.
Oh my goodness. 20 minutes is never enough time for anything, especially duck breasts.
I love duck breast, and I know I can do it in 20 minutes.
So it's gonna be Sunny and Alex here that will taste the dish and decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. 20 minutes goes by very, very quickly. Ready? Go.
So I will be making spicy duck breasts in a lettuce cup with cucumber relish.
My game plan is to balance the rich, fatty duck with a spicy chili jam and a little creamy polenta. I start slicing the duck. It's perfect. So on my plate, I have the guajillo chili jam, 2 slices of duck breast. I add a little baby arugula with blood orange. My polenta is not as fluffy as I would like, but I'm gonna go with it.
30 seconds.
Oh my God, seriously? I sliced my duck breast. Oh my God, it's completely rare.
I don't think it's cooked on the inside.
15 seconds to go.
Oh my gosh.
I can't serve duck breasts that are raw, so I slice the ends.
9, 8.
I get my duck down, add my cucumber relish, drizzle my sauce on top.
3, 2, 1.
I like my dish. I'm a little concerned about the texture of my polenta.
My plate is a little messy. My nerve got the better of me. I feel like I need to lie down.
So, chefs, the guy standing between you two, we want to take him down.
It's gonna just come down to the duck breast and whether you made it the star of your plate. Chef Nicole, talk to us about what you made.
So I did a seared duck breast with guajillo chili jam, creamy polenta, with arugula and blood orange.
Well, your duck was cooked properly. I had texture on my skin, but your jam, it's more pepper than jam. I think it overpowered the duck.
I do think the polenta is ducky, but I don't like the texture. You don't need this polenta. Let it go. Mohan, tell us what you made.
I made spiced duck breast on a lettuce cup with cucumber, cilantro, salad.
Am I supposed to wrap this or what? You want me to pick this up?
Yeah,
Because
like
it's a
a
little
bundle.
messy. Ooh, girl, okay.
Mohan, your duck is not cooked evenly. It's undercooked in the middle.
But I had texture on my skin. It was seared properly.
And the ginger, the cilantro, and the chilies, it's got an addictive quality to it.
But your plate was clumsy.
Sunny and Alex are certainly tough on both of these chefs, but they want these guys to beat me, so we'll see what happens.
The person who will be going against Bobby Flay is Mohan.
I definitely overthought it. I know I'm an awesome chef. Today was not my day, but it's not gonna hold me down. Phew.
Mohan, it's a tough first round. Shake it off.
Yes.
I've been in your shoes before. It's intimidating. I think Bobby's intimidated by himself.
Yeah.
Goes home, he's like, I'm freaking out, look at me.
Mohan, congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
A lot better now.
Well, luckily for you, you now have the advantage. What's your signature dish?
My signature dish is seafood lo mein.
Seafood lo mein. Is this a dish that you cook a lot?
It's actually a dish from home, from Singapore, and a dish that my mother used to make.
So unfortunately, Alex and I, we have to be fair. We're not gonna taste this round.
Instead, we are gonna bring in 3 restaurant pros who are going to do a blind taste test.
Bobby, ready to take that flight to Singapore? He's in first class. We're gonna put you in coach. Y'all ready to go? 45 minutes starts now.
Bobby's hit the full fire-breathing dragon stage. Just a quick hard sear on the squid.
Yeah.
Where are your noodles?
Trying to make it happen.
All right, goodbye, I'm leaving. Bobby has cooked his squid.
It's perfect.
It's really annoying. But I feel like Mohan has his act far more together at this point.
I ladle the shrimp stock into the wok. Then I add all the vegetables, my vermicelli noodles, and then more shrimp stock and let it cook for a little bit so that all the flavor would be absorbed into the noodles.
Bobby hasn't even cooked his noodles yet.
Not yet.
For a stir-fried dish like this, it all comes together at the end. The last 5 minutes is gonna be just chaos.
5 minutes!
I put the noodles in salted boiling water. I chopped some mustard greens, some julienne snow peas, and some bean sprouts for some crunch on there.
I think he's freaking out.
Bobby Flay is stressed, okay?
I finally add my scrambled egg, followed by the fried shrimp and squid. Now I'm ready to add my chili sambal slowly.
Just use a little bit.
It's gonna be a baby teaspoon.
So now I'm piling everything into the wok. I have the noodles, I have the sauce, all 3 of the fish, squid, crab, and mussels, snow peas, everything. Everybody's in the pool.
Bobby, how does it taste?
Pretty good, I think. I don't know.
Don't give me that
Think he's
crap.
faking us out?
Totally. It's the full Bobby Flay
You're right.
fake out.
I'm concerned the noodles are not gonna pick up the flavor of the seafood, so I'm gonna add more sauce and just hope for the best.
Now I start plating it. I decide to keep it simple, the way it would be served back in Singapore. Squeeze some lime into it, topped with cilantro leaves.
14 seconds.
There's absolutely no time to taste. I'm just barely getting it into the bowl.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Relieved it's over. My presentation is just not very good, but I think there's tons of flavor.
My dish is more traditional, but he's Bobby Flay. So I'm a little nervous.
Mohan and Bobby, congratulations on completing 2 beautiful seafood lo mein plates. And now I would like to introduce your judges. We have the chef owner of Alder in New York City, Wiley Dufresne. The owner of Red Farm and Decoy, Ed Schoenfeld. And the co-owner of Rayo's Restaurant Group, Frank Pellegrino Jr.
Judges, as you know, this is a blind taste test, so please start with the plate in front of you.
The shrimp here is nicely cooked. I like the use of the 2 noodles. I think this has got some great flavors.
For me, it feels like a well-done dish that might have been sitting in a takeout box for like 2 minutes too long. But that being said, I'm looking forward to taking another bite.
I would agree the texture of the dish is too soft. However, the seafood was cooked perfectly. I love the bok choy that's in there. There's a harmony that's going on. So overall, I enjoyed it.
All right, chefs, switch your bowls.
When you first look at it, and you look at the noodles, and you look at the seafood, there's a large amount of squid and plump mussels. In the first dish, it's hard to find them.
The mussels are great, the squid, the crab. It's very pretty, and it's texturally a bit more diverse than the first dish.
However, the soy, the salt, and the heat, it's just overwhelming for my palate.
Yeah, it's a bit salty.
All right, guys, about time to take a vote.
Mohan's made this dish countless times. I'm not gonna bet on myself for this one, that's for sure.
And the winner is... Chef Mohan! Yeah! Unanimous decision.
You know, I chose one dish over the other really just based on the flavoring, and it was really beautifully prepared.
Thank you. Thank
Mohan, you're crying a little bit now, aren't you?
you. A little bit teary-eyed. I beat Bobby Flay, and I feel like when Julie Andrews is singing at the top of the mountain, find me a mountain nearby, and I will twirl and sing that song.